Welcome to Echo English Vibes, where we transform your hesitation into confident speech through a proven 30-day language reflex system. Have you ever understood almost everything in English, but the moment someone asked a simple question, your mind just went blank? The truth is that the problem is not your vocabulary, but rather that you have never trained your speaking reflexes properly. Most English learners only practice in silence by reading or taking notes, while avoiding the pressure of a real-life interaction. When facing a real person, your brain starts translating and checking grammar before allowing you to finally speak your own thoughts. The result is that your answer always comes after the conversation is already over, leaving you feeling stuck and quite discouraged. What you are missing is not knowledge, but the specific ability to react naturally under the pressure of a live conversation. If you have ever been in this situation, hit the like button and comment "I am ready to commit" starting today. Recognizing the problem is only the first step, but how do you train your brain to stop translating and start reacting? You must stop chasing long, complicated sentences or advanced vocabulary, because useful English is the English you can say immediately now. Practice short, high-frequency response phrases, like "that makes sense," or "I am running late," to build your daily verbal confidence. Read at least 3 expressions from this video out loud right now, and let your brain get used to responding naturally. Once you have developed faster reflexes, the next step is building a response bank so you always know what to say. Do not memorize individual words, but instead, learn useful phrases you can use immediately in your daily life and social interactions. Associate each phrase with a real-life situation, because learning less, but using it much more often, is the secret key. If you forget a word, describe it instead of staying silent, because your goal is to keep the conversation going forward. Write down the 5 phrases you found most useful, and use them in at least one real-life situation today without fail. Once you have ready-to-use responses, it is time to turn them into a daily habit for your speaking improvement. Week 1 is all about breaking the silence by speaking for 1 minute every single day to build your basic momentum. Week 2 requires you to activate 5 reaction phrases every day to keep your brain engaged and ready for quick responses. Week 3 involves recording your voice to get comfortable speaking under pressure as you listen back to your own spoken progress. Week 4 focuses on communicating with real people through messages or short conversations to test your new skills in the wild. Progress does not come from motivation alone, because it comes from opening your mouth and speaking every single day without pause. Comment: Day 1. If you are ready to begin this 30-day challenge with this video and start your journey today. Finally, remember the most important lesson, one that many English learners still misunderstand despite their long hours of dedicated silent study. Action creates confidence. So do not wait until you feel confident before you speak, because speaking is what builds your confidence. One simple sentence today is worth more than 10 lessons that stay trapped inside your head without ever being spoken aloud. Making mistakes is not what holds you back from your goals, because staying silent is the real enemy of your progress. English only becomes fluent when it is used in real-life situations where you interact with others and share your ideas. Before this video ends, answer this question out loud. What did I do today to practice your speaking skills right now? Just 30 seconds is enough to start changing your English and building the habits that lead to long-term speaking success. Remember this: you do not become fluent in English by understanding more, but you become fluent by speaking more every day. If this video has changed the way you think about learning English, do not forget to like and subscribe right now. Turn on the notification bell and share this video with a friend who is still afraid of speaking English in public. I will see you in the next video, where we will continue training your speaking reflexes until English becomes natural today. Your journey to fluency starts with these small steps, and consistent practice will soon make you a very confident English speaker. Imagine a life where you never worry about finding the right words, because they come to you easily and very naturally. The joy of speaking comes from the freedom to express yourself without the constant fear of making minor grammatical errors today. Keep your reaction bank updated with new phrases you encounter during your day, and watch your speaking speed increase very rapidly. While you work on your reflexes, do not forget to listen actively to natural English to keep your ears tuned correctly. Surround yourself with people who encourage you to speak, and do not judge your occasional mistakes during your daily learning sessions. Consistency is the bridge between your current level and the level you want to reach in your English speaking journey ahead. Pick up the phone and start a conversation today because real-world practice is the only way to truly master English. Your brain is a muscle that needs regular exercise to perform well, so keep challenging yourself with new phrases every day. Imagine yourself standing in front of others and speaking your mind with total clarity and zero hesitation or fear of judgment. Stop relying on old methods that focus on memorization and start embracing the power of active speaking in your daily life. Reflecting on your day in English is a fantastic way to internalize the phrases you learned and improve your speaking flow. True fluency is not about being perfect, but about being able to connect with others and share your unique human experiences. Look back at where you started and be proud of the progress you have made because every small step counts today. English is a bridge that connects you to the rest of the world, so speak it with joy and great confidence. Helping others learn is a great way to reinforce your own knowledge and become a more effective communicator in the process. Stay focused on your goals and let your daily practice be the light that guides you to your ultimate English fluency. Opportunities will open up for you once you can express yourself clearly and confidently in any professional or social setting now. You deserve to feel comfortable and relaxed when speaking English, so keep practicing until it feels like your second nature today. Traveling becomes much more enjoyable when you have the confidence to speak with locals and discover the world on your own. Your mental agility will improve as you continue to practice these reflex techniques and challenge your brain to think faster today. Presenting your ideas to others will become a source of pride rather than anxiety as you master your speaking response skills. Growth is a process that requires patience and dedication, so keep nurturing your English skills with every single conversation you have. Understanding deep topics and being able to discuss them is the ultimate goal of your journey towards total English language fluency. Shine bright with your newfound confidence and keep sharing your voice with the world because it is worth hearing daily. Your future is bright, and English is the tool that will help you unlock doors to new and exciting opportunities ahead. Dedication is the fuel for your progress, so never stop pushing yourself to be better than you were just yesterday, today. Enjoy every moment of your journey, and remember that speaking English is a skill that will last you a lifetime indeed. Celebrate every small win along the way because they are the markers of your journey towards becoming a truly fluent speaker. Look ahead with excitement because your ability to communicate is growing stronger with every single word you speak to the world. Speak with a smile, and your words will carry more impact because people are drawn to those who communicate with joy. Thank you for joining me on this journey today, and I hope you subscribe to Echo English Vibes for more lessons. See you in the next video as we continue our path to fluency together. Goodbye, and keep practicing your English daily.